In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance image in Adobe Express. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser or the app. If you see a sign-in screen, go ahead and sign in so your work is saved automatically. This gives you access to your projects and the media libraries you'll use in a moment. Once you're in, you'll land on the Home or Projects area where you can begin creating. Next, click Start New Design. This opens up a fresh workspace so you can focus on a single image without distractions. You'll see options for sizes and templates. Don't worry about picking the perfect dimension right now. You can adjust it later if needed. The key is simply to get a canvas open so you can bring in an image to enhance. From here, choose any sample option to quickly spin up a canvas. A sample or template just gets you moving fast and provides a backdrop for your edits. If a template appears with placeholder content, that's fine. You're primarily using it as an easy way to access the editing tools. Now, head to the Media section. This is where you add images to your project. Media often includes uploads, libraries, and stock options. If you already have a file on your device, you'll see an option to bring it in. If not, stock samples are a great way to practice the workflow without hunting for a file. Select a sample photo. Look for an image with clear subjects and decent lighting. Those typically respond well to enhancement. You can also use the search bar to browse different categories and pick something that matches the look you want to achieve. Click the photo to place it onto your canvas. Once it's there, make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If it's not, just click it again so the editing options become available. On the left side, click Adjust. This panel gives you the core controls for enhancement, including exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, and sharpness. Move the sliders slowly and watch the preview update in real time. A small nudge often goes a long way. Aim for clarity and balance rather than extremes. Finally, try any effect to add a creative finish. Choose an effect that suits your image's mood, then fine-tune its intensity so it complements the adjustments you already made. Subtle effects can add polish without overpowering the photo. If something doesn't work, simply reduce the strength or switch to another effect until the image feels crisp, vibrant, and natural. And that's it. Your image is enhanced in Adobe Express.